Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about how to set up a college savings plan for your children today. Setting up a college savings plan for your children is an important step in preparing for their future education expenses. Here's how to get started. 1. Determine your college savings goals. Estimate the future cost of college education, taking into account tuition, fees, room and board, books, and other expenses. Consider factors such as inflation and the type of college or university your child may attend. 2. Choose the right college savings plan. Research and compare different college savings plans to find the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Common options include 529 savings plans, Coverdell education savings accounts, ESAs, custodial accounts, UTMAs/UGMAs, and Roth IRAs. 3. Open a 529 savings plan. Consider opening a 529 savings plan, which is a tax-advantaged investment account specifically designed for college savings. These plans offer various investment options and tax benefits, such as tax-deferred growth and tax-free withdrawals for qualified education expenses. 4. Contribute regularly. Start contributing to your college savings plan as early as possible to take advantage of the power of compounding and maximize your savings over time. Set up automatic contributions from your bank account to ensure consistent savings. 5. Involve family and friends. Encourage family members, friends, and relatives to contribute to your child's college savings plan on special occasions, such as birthdays, holidays, or other milestones. Every little bit helps and can add up over time. By following these steps and being proactive about saving for your child's college education, you can help alleviate the financial burden of higher education and provide them with the opportunity to pursue their academic goals without undue financial stress.